Hey folks, today we're diving into a super fun and easy tutorial. How to create this stunning spiral staircase in 3ds Max. Perfect for your interior or architectural projects. Let's get started. First, create a chamfer cylinder. Now here's something important. The radius of the cylinder equals the total width of your staircase. The segments equal the number of steps. For this example, I'll set the radius to 60 and the segments to 14, so we'll have a 60 unit wide staircase with 14 steps. You can always increase the number of steps later if you want more detail. Next, apply the Edit Poly modifier. Select the center vertices on both sides. Right-click, choose Chamfer, and adjust the amount. A value of 10 works great here. This defines the central pole's radius. Now select the face shown in the video, press Ctrl+1 to invert the selection, and delete the rest of the faces. We just want to keep one step. Select the open edges at the top and bottom, and Shift+drag upward in the Z-axis to extrude and build the stair height. Now we'll add some polish. Chamfer the bottom edge for a nice smooth base. If you plan to keep it low poly, increase the chamfer segments instead of applying TurboSmooth. Do the same for the top edge, but with a smaller chamfer amount. Since we used a chamfered cylinder, some faces may be disconnected. Simply delete the stray face and use the bridge tool to connect the edges. If needed, you can weld vertices. Totally up to you. Now give a final chamfer to both edges to smooth everything out. Boom! Base shape is ready. Let's take it further. Add a TurboSmooth modifier. Increase iterations for better smoothing. Then apply a shell modifier. I'll set the thickness to 1. Make sure to check straighten corners for clean edges. Time for the magic. Add the array modifier. Choose radial mode. Set copies to 14. In the transformation settings, rotate around Z-axis by 100 degrees. See that? Pure 3ds Max magic when your measurements are on point. Now, we'll clean it up with a slice modifier. Set to Z-axis. Remove negative turn cap on. Adjust the gizmo if needed. Add a second slice. This time, remove positive cap on tweak gizmo again if needed. To wrap it up, go back to Edit Poly. Select Vertices. Turn on all modifiers to preview the final shape. Now lift those center vertices to define the central pole height. You can fine-tune the pole just by adjusting the slices and vertices. Super easy. And we're done. Don't forget to like, comment. I really want to hear your thoughts. Share, and hit that super thanks to support the channel. See you in the next one.